girl is dirty. And I don't know how you're gonna wash your car and not put tire shine. Like, what are you doing, dude? What are you doing if you're not putting tire shine on your car? Cherry on top, man. It's the cherry on top. Bang, just like that. Damn, baby, nice and clean. I had to go inside and throw on a hoodie because these El Paso, Texas temperatures all of a sudden are in the 60s when last week it was just in the 90s, but it's okay. My Mustang hoodie avoids it around. But I thought I would bust out the camera and give you guys a quick update on what's going on with me and the car, what's going on with the channel. I think I'll be able to get you guys a good cold start too. Yes, to the new guys on the channel, it's a V6. And proud to be a V6, alright? So I got some things to do. Thought I'd take you guys along for the ride. But since my last video, we've gained about 150 subscribers or so, which is pretty insane to me. And if you guys are new, what's up? My name's Matt. This is my bolt-on 3.7 liter Mustang. And we're just here for a good time. I haven't really made a video like this in a while, taking the car out for a drive with you guys like this. So yeah, why did I even try? We're not hooking up right now. There's not a chance. See if I get a nice little backfire. Or not. And the temps are like 60 degrees right now, so like I said, we're not gonna hook up, but we're still gonna send it. I know a lot of you loyal subscribers have been wondering where I've been at these past few weeks. I've just had a lot going on in my personal life. Combined with that and school and work, it's just been hard for me to find time to put the camera and record a video for you guys. I'm not the type to try and make excuses. I'm not gonna sit here and just give you reasons on why I'm not gonna make videos. Because I do really want to make videos. I really like making YouTube videos, it's fun. But anyways, it's 60 degrees outside. Do you guys ever feel like your car pulls harder when it's colder outside? Because I believe in that, and I'm pretty sure I'm right. That's actually a thing. Alright. I don't know why I keep trying it, but first gear is no chance for hooking up, especially on these Mickey Thompsons. I swear to God, they need heat. They need heat. You know how to pay a visit to my second home. Always put in that Shell Power Nitro. Filling her up. Alright, let's do this. He loves the cold weather, I swear. Guys, all the Mexico footage, all the exhaust clicks, all the racing, everything that you guys like to see on my channel, it's not going anywhere. It'll be on the channel. I'm gonna make time and try my best to make videos for you guys. And real quick, before I forget, holy shit, I almost forgot, I wanna do another Q&A. So go ahead and give me a follow on Instagram, and the same day this video goes up, I'm gonna have a post on Instagram, and go ahead and leave your question on that post, leave a comment, and I'll try and answer as many questions as I can off that post. That's the only way I'm gonna see your questions. So follow me on Instagram, and the same day this goes up, like I said, there'll be a post and ask your question there. That's all I pretty much got for you guys today. I know that this is not gonna be my best video. I know that. I know. Hope you guys enjoyed. Drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.